In the quiet of a new day, life seems to flow seamlessly, but for many women over 40, this tranquility masks an impending storm. Menopause, a journey marked by hormonal changes, physical shifts, and often an unexpected battle with anxiety and panic attacks. Meet Lisa, a devoted mother and successful career woman. Lately, she's been experiencing changes that leave her feeling unsettled. These signs can be subtle yet profound: hot flashes that ignite without warning, night sweats disrupting sleep, and mood swings that swing like a pendulum. But the physical symptoms are just the beginning. Alongside these changes, Lisa starts to feel a tightness in her chest, a sense of impending doom that she can't shake off. As her world transforms, anxiety creeps in like a thief in the night. For Lisa, the once ordinary tasks become mountains to climb. Anxiety manifests in racing thoughts, persistent worry, and a feeling of losing control. Panic attacks begin to invade her life, unexpected episodes of overwhelming fear that strike without warning. Her heart races and breathing becomes shallow, leaving her feeling trapped in her own body. In this tumultuous sea of emotions, Lisa feels isolated. Friends and family can't see her inner struggle, and the stigma around mental health prevents her from sharing her pain. She wonders, is this normal? Finally, Lisa takes a courageous step. She seeks help. The doctor gently sat Lisa down, her face a mix of concern and compassion. With a soothing voice, the doctor outlines the biological changes happening in her body, highlighting that menopause can significantly impact anxiety due to hormonal fluctuations, particularly the decline in estrogen and progesterone, which affects neurotransmitters like serotonin that regulate mood. Physical symptoms such as hot flashes, sleep disturbances, and fatigue can heighten anxiety levels, while emotional changes like mood swings and irritability contribute further. Additionally, this life stage often coincides with other stresses, such as aging and shifts in family dynamics, which can exacerbate feelings of anxiety. Some women may also experience cognitive changes, such as difficulties with memory and concentration, adding to their anxiety. He began to explain the common signs of anxiety and panic attacks that often accompany menopause, ensuring that Lisa understood the physiological changes and emotional upsurges she might be experiencing. She discovers that these hormonal shifts can contribute to anxiety, depression, and panic attacks, often worsened by stress and life transitions. Gaining insight into the reasons behind her symptoms offers her a glimmer of hope. The doctor also shares a detailed overview of anxiety signs and panic attacks, especially as they may present in women during menopause, including the following. First, excessive worry. Women may experience persistent, uncontrollable worry about everyday matters, such as health, family, work, or finances. This worry can feel disproportionate to the actual situation and may lead to a sense of impending doom. Second, restlessness. A common symptom is a constant feeling of being on edge or unable to relax. Women might find it hard to sit still, feel fidgety, or have difficulty winding down, especially after a long day. Next, difficulty concentrating. Anxiety can cloud cognitive functions, making it challenging to focus on tasks. Women may describe their minds as foggy or feel like they are easily distracted, which can impact work and daily responsibilities. Fourth, irritability. Women experiencing anxiety may become more easily frustrated or annoyed. This heightened sensitivity can lead to conflicts in personal and professional relationships, as minor issues may trigger strong emotional reactions, followed by muscle tension. Chronic tension in the muscles is a physical manifestation of anxiety. Women may experience tightness in the neck, shoulders, or jaw, which can lead to discomfort, headaches, or fatigue. Sixth, sleep issues. Anxiety often disrupts sleep patterns. Women may struggle with falling asleep, staying asleep, or experiencing restful sleep. Racing thoughts worries, or night sweats can contribute to insomnia or interrupted sleep cycles. Last but not least, physical symptoms of anxiety. Anxiety can manifest in various physical ways, affecting individuals differently. One common symptom is a rapid heartbeat, often felt as palpitations. This increased heart rate can occur suddenly, leading to feelings of panic or fear. Another physical manifestation is sweating. Many people experience excessive sweating even in non stressful situations, which can be uncomfortable and embarrassing. This response is part of the body's natural fight or flight mechanism. Trembling or shaking is also a frequent symptom associated with anxiety. Individuals may notice noticeable trembling or shaking, particularly during moments of heightened anxiety or fear. This physical reaction can further exacerbate feelings of distress. Lastly, gastrointestinal distress is a significant concern for those experiencing anxiety. Symptoms such as nausea, stomach cramps, or diarrhea may arise as the body reacts to anxiety, highlighting the profound connection between emotional and physical health. He further explained that for many women, the hormonal fluctuations during menopause can intensify these anxiety symptoms. The combination of physical changes and emotional stressors can create a cycle where anxiety exacerbates menopausal symptoms, further complicating overall well being. The doctor further explained to Lisa that panic attacks are a significant concern for many women experiencing menopause, as this life stage often brings about a range of physical and emotional changes that can heighten anxiety. During menopause, hormonal fluctuations can contribute to increased stress and anxiety, which may trigger panic attacks in some individuals. A panic attack is a sudden and intense episode of fear or discomfort that peaks within minutes. They typically subside after a short period, although the experience can be very distressing. Panic attacks can manifest in a variety of physical symptoms, including rapid heartbeat, often felt as palpitations, shortness of breath, and dizziness. When an individual experiences a panic attack, their body activates the fight or flight response. This triggers a surge of adrenaline, leading to a rapid heartbeat, increased breathing rate, and a sensation of dizziness or lightheadedness. These symptoms can be alarming and overwhelming, often creating a cycle of fear and anxiety that can intensify the panic attack. If you're enjoying this video and finding value in our content, kindly show your support by liking and subscribing. Your support makes a real difference. Moving on, the doctor advised Lisa that one of the greatest challenges women face during menopause is gaslighting. This manipulation can occur when their physical and emotional symptoms, such as hot flashes and mood swings, are dismissed or invalidated by partners, friends, or healthcare providers as exaggerated or all in the head. Such experiences can lead to increased confusion and distress, making the menopause transition even more challenging. For individuals with anxiety, gaslighting can worsen feelings of insecurity. If others imply that their anxiety is irrational or an overreaction, it fosters a cycle of self-doubt and heightened anxiety. In both scenarios, gaslighting can diminish self-worth and exacerbate emotional turmoil, making it crucial to seek support from empathetic and validating sources. With knowledge comes power. Lisa explores various remedies to reclaim her life from anxiety. Her doctor suggests a multifaceted approach. 1. Lifestyle changes. Making lifestyle changes such as incorporating regular exercise into her routine can significantly reduce anxiety levels and enhance her overall mood. Additionally, adopting a balanced diet that is rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains helps stabilize energy levels, promoting better physical and mental well-being. Together, these changes can create a foundation for a healthier, more balanced life. 2. Mindfulness and relaxation techniques. Mindfulness meditation can ground her and help manage panic attacks. Deep breathing exercises also provide immediate relief during moments of crisis. Additionally, yoga or Tai Chi combines physical movement with relaxation techniques. 3. Therapy and support. Cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, empowers her to challenge and reframe negative thoughts, fostering a more positive mindset. Additionally, joining support groups allows her to connect with women who share similar struggles, helping to alleviate feelings of isolation and providing a sense of community and understanding. Together, these approaches contribute to her emotional resilience and overall well being. 4. Medical interventions. Hormone replacement therapy, or HRT, can play a crucial role in balancing her hormones, potentially alleviating various symptoms associated with hormonal fluctuations. She was advised that if she required further assistance, antidepressants or anti anxiety medications can provide additional support, helping to manage mood and anxiety levels effectively. Together, these treatments can enhance overall well being and improve quality of life. As Lisa implements these strategies, she begins to reclaim her life. The panic attacks become less frequent, and the overwhelming anxiety starts to fade. With each small victory, she discovers her strength, a resilience that comes from within. For every woman facing the storm of menopause and anxiety, know this: you are not alone. Your feelings are valid and help is available. The journey may be challenging, but there is light at the end of the tunnel. Embrace the support around you and take one step at a time. Menopause is not an end, but a new beginning. By acknowledging the signs, seeking help, and embracing strategies for coping, you can navigate this transition with strength and grace. If you or someone you know is struggling, reach out for support. You are not alone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe to our channel. Get ready for our next video where we dive into the world of superfoods for women's health and their health benefits. Don't miss it.